In this video, you'll learn how to recreate the liquid glass effect in Flutter, inspired by Apple's new sleek translucent UI style introduced at WWDC. First, we're going to start by creating a stack with stackFit.expand to layer the container on top of a background image. This helps us better visualize the glass effect. Next, we'll center our liquid glass container on the screen. Then, we'll use a ClipRRect with a border radius of 20 to apply rounded corners, giving it that smooth, glassy shape. To create the blur effect, we use a BackdropFilter with ImageFilter.blur, setting both σx and σy to the same value based on how strong you want the blur. Then, we create the liquid glass container with a width of 300 and height of 200, and add a padding of 16 for inner spacing. Now, we create a box decoration with a white color using with opacity of 0.1 to make it translucent. We also add a border radius of 20 and set a border with colors.white at 0.2 opacity to enhance the glass effect. To give a final touch to the design, we'll add an icon and a text inside the container, placed in a column with main axis alignment.center. Inside, we insert an icon, icons.apple, with a size of 58 and white color. Below it, we add a size box with height 10 for spacing. Then, we add a text styled with white color, font size 27, font weight 600, font family Helvetica to match Apple's aesthetic, and letter spacing of 1.2 for a clean, modern look. And that's it. You've now recreated the stunning liquid glass look in Flutter. Smooth, modern, and inspired by Apple's latest design language. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what effect you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.